Hello. Let's assume you have started PLCnext Engineer and you want to try out a feature which has no license at the moment. Or maybe you have opened a program and you need to write SFC code, for example, and you forgot your license. So what can you do? Well, actually, when you install PLCnext Engineer, some licenses are pre-installed. So you will find the licenses when you open your Windows Explorer, and then you go to your installation. So drive C in my case, programs. Then there will be a folder Phoenix Contact and the PLCnext Engineer. And inside here you will find a license folder. And when you open this one, you can see there's the basic license, which is pre-installed, which is required to run the engineer, but which can also be restored from here if it's missing. Then there is an emergency license, which will enable all features of PLCnext Engineer for a limited amount of time. And then there are some trial licenses for the different features here, for the application control interface, for the HMI generator, for the simulation for safety programming, SFC programming, for the topology view, and so on. So these licenses come with PLCnext Engineer in the PLCnext Engineer licenses folder, and they can be used to test the feature, or if you're in an emergency, you need to urgently program something, then you can also install the emergency license here. So as you can see here, for example, there is no topology view here, or if you want to add SFC code at the moment, this is all grayed out because there's no license installed. So let's close PLCnext Engineer first of all. So to enable such a license, it's required to start CodeMeter Control Center, either from your desktop, or there's also a link at the bottom in your taskbar. So you see here, this is my container with the basic license. And I click here on File, Import License. And then I can navigate to the folder that I just specified. So drive C. Then Programs, Phoenix Contact, PLCnext Engineer, your version. Then there is a licenses folder. And maybe I want to, well, let's install the emergency license. So this is my emergency license. I click on Import. It's successfully done. Okay. So here's my emergency license container, which has been installed. And now I can click here on Web Admin. And see, now I have all these licenses installed for a limited amount of time. So I can close the CodeMeter here. And now I can restart PLCnext Engineer. And PLCnext Engineer will automatically find the licenses. So I can open my project again. And as you can see, now my topology is available, which was not before. And if I right-click here on Functions and Function Block, you see now I can add SFC, and also my safety functionality is available. So now I'm ready to go and do my updates and my programming.